Hello, I'm Abhinav, and I'm the author of a simple guide to retrieval augmented generation. If you're a technology professional, chances are that you are already using or planning to use large language models at work. Retrieval augmented generation, or RAG, is fast becoming the most popular technique to enhance the accuracy and relevance of LLM responses. Since RAG is a novel technique, the information about it is quite scattered, and learning RAG can be a bit overwhelming. This book is designed to be a foundational guide to RAG. Firstly, it will introduce you to the fundamentals behind the technique. Then the book will take you through the different components of a RAG-enabled AI system. And finally, you will get an understanding of the latest innovations in RAG implementation. So whether you are a beginner looking to understand the basics or an experienced professional aiming to implement state-of-the-art RAG systems, this guide is for you. If you're as excited about generative AI as I am, then head to manning.com and get your copy of the book today.